watch them be gone now.
Yeah. Wait, I think I feel one coming.
If you can hiccup one more time, I'll give you $50.
Dude, I want... No, let's do it for 100.
Oh, sorry. I don't have $50.
Wait, you guys owe me 10. Because I gave you money to go into the dance.
Oh. You tell Mom.
I have $3.
I'll ask her when we're at work when she can get the money.
I have the $3 that I have left.
It's always giving me a headache.
Go like this. I don't know. It's not going to help you, but...
You should have just went home that day.
I know. It was stupid. I thought it was going to be better.
Well, when you don't have some money to do something, you just don't do it.
But the dance was stupid?
You know, like, I thought it was going to be fun. Like, the last time
Ow!
was fun.
That one was silent because I got... Wait, why was it stupid?
Because, like, I don't know. It's just the last one was fun, but then... I don't know.
I have a headache.
Peyton. You're like...
What?
You're like this.
Ow! My head hurts.
Eat peanut butter.
I was gonna say peanut butter isn't gonna help my headache.
Oh, that's not going to help your headache, but it'll help
It'll
you.
help my hiccups.
Yeah.
I had peanut butter this morning.
Whoa. Can you send that to me afterwards?
I hate the hiccups.
It's been going on for like 2 minutes now.
I can't wait to get my king size bed.
You're going to get a king-size bed.
Well, hey, no, we can actually sleep in your bed because I'll have one opposite side of the bed.
Yeah.
You guys aren't like this?
I don't have to sleep in that couch that sinks into the back, and I'm like, can't get
Hey, I
out of it.
slept on the couch too.
I know, but that's how-
We sleep in the same bed. Just keep your distance. Because I'm scared I'm going to touch you.